Takagi tankless water heaters can experience several common issues. The most frequent problem is no hot water or insufficient hot water output. Start troubleshooting by checking the water flow rate. Ensure adequate water pressure is reaching the unit and that no fixtures are restricting flow. Next, inspect and clean any clogged filters. The inlet filter is particularly important as debris and scale buildup can severely restrict water flow. Verify the gas supply is adequate and check for any gas leaks. Also, look for error codes on the display panel and consult your user manual for specific guidance. In hard water areas, descaling the heat exchanger is crucial, as mineral buildup is a common cause of reduced hot water output. Another common issue is fluctuating water temperature. This often occurs when flow rates change or multiple fixtures are used simultaneously. Unusual noises from your tankless water heater typically indicate scale buildup in the heat exchanger or loose internal components that need inspection. If your unit shuts off unexpectedly, inspect the venting system for obstructions, ensure consistent gas supply, and clean or replace the air intake filter. These initial troubleshooting steps can resolve many common Takagi tankless water heater issues. Regular maintenance and proper installation are key to preventing these problems. Understanding Takagi error codes is essential for advanced troubleshooting. These diagnostic codes help identify specific issues quickly and accurately. Code 111 indicates ignition failure. This commonly occurs due to inadequate gas supply, a faulty igniter, or a blown fuse in the system. Code 101 signals improper combustion, often caused by blockages in the intake or exhaust system. This is particularly dangerous as it can introduce carbon monoxide. Code 991 is a maintenance reminder indicating a dirty fan or gas manifold that needs cleaning. Code 441 points to flow sensor issues, typically from clogged pre-filters or debris buildup. Regular maintenance prevents most problems and extends your unit's lifespan. Annual inspection and cleaning are essential for optimal performance. Clean the burner, control compartments, filters, and air passages. Check the venting system for obstructions and ensure proper airflow throughout the unit. Flame inspection is critical for safety. The flame should appear clean, blue, and stable. Any yellow or irregular flames indicate combustion problems requiring immediate attention. Descaling the heat exchanger is crucial, especially in hard water areas. Consider installing a water softener to prevent mineral buildup and extend component life. Common installation errors cause many service problems. Improper venting using standard B-vent can destroy the heat exchanger due to acidic condensation. Undersized gas lines are another frequent issue. Professional installation and regular maintenance following these guidelines will ensure reliable operation and prevent costly repairs. Always consult qualified technicians for complex issues.